Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. My name is Chayla, and for today we created this makeup look. So if you want to know how to create it, keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so first things first, you want to put some moisturizer on your face. So next I'm going to be using my primer, and this is just the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. The next up is foundation, and this foundation has been a life changer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. So this foundation is so full coverage. I definitely apply this when I have a lot of acne, such as today. Next I'm going to be using my concealer, and this is my CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer. Right there. Now onto eyebrows. I'm going to be using my NYX Micro Brow thing. Okay, so I cannot do eyebrows at all, so this is gonna be what it's looking like. We're just gonna have to roll with it. But next I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. concealer to clean up my brow. The next step is going to be using my face powder, and I'm just using the Airspun loose face powder in the shade Naturally Neutral. I do not bake often. Yeah, baking isn't really my thing. I'm just going to take it on this brush. Okay, now I'm going to prime my eyes just with the same e.l.f. concealer that I used. And I use this one because it's closer to my skin tone. So you want to do this so the shadows can really pick up nicely. Okay, so to create this look, I'm going to be using my Rimmel London Magnify Eyes Jewel Rocks Edition palette. What it looks like. What I'm going to be starting out doing is taking this dark green right there. Oh, this is pigmented. Let's see. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Milani Most Loved Mattes palette, and I'm going to be taking this brown shade right here on the same exact brush to define it. And then for my lid color, I'm going to go back in with my Rimmel London palette, and I'm going to be taking the color right next to the green. This is the color that will be going on the lid. So you just want to spray it. And apply. And that is how I get this little emerald look. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and this is just my Wet n Wild Megaliner. And we're gonna line these eyes. And then you want to take your NYX pencil on the bottom lash line. So now to contour, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Oaks on You. And put some dots on your forehead to get rid of my 5 head and maybe give me a 4 head. Get it? 5 head, 4 head. You probably get it. I am so funny. And then after that, I'm going in with my NYX matte bronzer. So, okay, so now I'm going to be doing my highlighter, and the highlighter that I'm using is from my Profusion Sculpt and Glow palette. And I'm going to be taking the color Glazed. This palette is actually really broken, so we apologize. There. Ooh. Yeah, because I want it to be more like a tan look. So I mixed that color in with Charisma, which is there, to give it more of a tan goddess look. Okay, why is the color looking like that? Oh, okay. Then you want to put them on the nose. Then you want to spray your face. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using my Profusion Lips to Go Lip Kit in the shade Bear. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time for another video.